Here is an awesome tool. This is a cordless vacuum that is powered by the Dewalt 20-volt batteries. So this is a tool-only deal. So you get the nice vacuum, very lightweight. It's got a nice rubber handle. And to take off the top and empty your contents, you just twist it just a hair. That removes, and then this just pulls right out. So real simple to empty. And it comes with, there's a filter in there. It comes with 2 extras. Has a vacuum attachment for that works great on floors. Has a little duster, dust brush, an attachment to get in the corners, and these are your extensions. Now, like I mentioned, runs on the Dewalt 20-volt battery. That just slides right here in the back. Clicks on. Also has a headlight. So let me do a little test. We'll put some stuff on the ground and I'll show you how powerful this vacuum is. Well, we got a lot of pet hair and some scrap cardboard here, so let me just suck this up quick here. Look at how powerful that is. Excellent. So, very powerful. And then another great way is to add the extensions on it, and then it works great on vinyl or hardwood floors. It's right in the corners. I really like that attachment. Or what's great too is you could take this off, and really works good to get cobwebs and dust in high places, because that gives you a heck of a reach. So love this product, and as you can see, very powerful.